Before my 3-minute starts, I just want to thank Start AD and NYU AD for putting on the event. It's been a really, really good 2 weeks for me and for Sophie, who was here as well. We really enjoyed it. It's been really, really good. So thanks, guys. So I'm Nick. I'm the founder and CEO of Twistar. We're dealing with a small solution, a small problem that's a big opportunity for companies. We looked at the market when we're talking about customer feedback and the way that businesses are collecting it. The problem is that we often go to airports, restaurants, hotels, bars. We don't share what we think. We don't share that feedback with businesses, and this disconnect that it's creating between customers and those businesses is enormous. The reports are that while 80% of CEOs feel that they're delivering a superior sense of product or service, only 8% of their customers are agreeing. This is creating an enormous business opportunity, and this disconnect in terms of customer experience was estimated to be worth more than $300 billion by Gartner in 2016. We looked at the market and the way that people were doing it, and we felt that IoT was presenting an opportunity to do things differently, bringing together customer surveys, using artificial intelligence, and using the voice of the customer to really create something different and something new, a new way of engaging with people.
Twistar is a new type of fun customer feedback device that allows you to ask the questions that are important to you. How was your meal? Was service as good as it could have been? What could we have done to improve your evening? Our intuitive twist and push interface collects accurate and honest customer feedback, while the emotional AI voice engine analyzes customer satisfaction and happiness data in real time. Accurate and honest, but totally anonymous and secure. It's fun, fast, and easy. Get on your customer's wavelength and see where Twistar can take you.
Thanks, guys. So this is Twistar. It's built, it works, it runs. It's built on a smartphone chipset, so it's got a 4G SIM card. It's Wi-Fi, it's Bluetooth, it's NFC, it's got a quad-core processor. It can connect through any number of different things, and the platform's totally flexible with the way that it's built and designed so that it can be customized and built from the ground up. It runs on stock Android, so it really can. It's as secure as any Google or Android smartphone that you've got in your pocket and can do all sorts of different things to connect with customers. We're looking at some interesting options to be able to make those kind of connections. We're able to collect baseline data, ambient data, survey data, and we're also able to integrate with things like loyalty, and now, thanks to a new partnership with Visa, even payments. It's a really, really exciting market for what we're doing, and it's something that we're reaching out to a lot of people to be able to do it. Our revenue model and the way that we've structured the growth of Twistar is primarily oriented around a subscription model. That's what we really want to do. We want to try and build a longer-term connection with our licensed partners so that they can use Twistar. We're reducing the barriers to entry, and we're making it more accessible. But we know that because we've built this device, it's equally interesting to developers and for people as a standalone project to be able to develop new projects and new things that are there. So we've got two options in terms of the revenue stream. This approach has been really, really well received, and we've got a quick selection here of a few regional and international license partners that we've signed up. We're not looking to work directly with clients. We want to work with the businesses that are already providing customer experience management solutions. This list of clients that you're seeing on the board at the moment is only a sample of what we've got, but even this list is giving us access to more than 16,000 individual client sites. The team that we've got is very devolved in terms of the geographies that we work in. So we're split between London, San Francisco, Dubai, Delhi, and Shenzhen. We've got a background that's split between TomTom, Samsung, IBM. The list goes on in terms of the companies, but everyone comes from a mobile devices background with a heavy focus on customer experience. As a company, we've been working for a little time. So we've been around for about 18 or 24 months, but for a long time we were working in stealth before we got our patents lodged and we were able to really talk about what we're doing. At the moment, we've got partners, we've got product, we've got patents, we've got pilots. We raised $250,000 in October last year, and a little bit later this year in Q3, we're going to be closing a $2 million round where we've already got commitments over 1.3 million of that money. That's where we are, guys. Thanks for listening. We'd love to work with you guys. We'd love to talk more about what we're doing. Please come and find me.